Hi guys, how you doing? Thanks so much for clicking. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a closure. It's actually a hack on how to make a closure. So if you can't afford a closure or if you can't ventilate the entire lace, then this hack will work for you. So guys, if you learned something from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So of course the first requirement for this tutorial is a weave, and then you're going to cut a small piece from the bundle or from the weave to create the closure, because of course you want the closure to resemble the weave that you're going to make. So most of the closures are always like 4x4, but then in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a 2x4, because of course you want to save time. This closure is a 2x4. So, but there's no difference like between the 4x4 and 2x4. Like the style will just look the same, the wig will look the same. So the next step I'm going to show you is how to cut the lace that you're going to use. So right now I'm just measuring the size that I want. I've measured 4x2 and then cut it. And also don't forget to give it an allowance. Don't like mark on the 4 or on the 2. At least give it an allowance, because you're also going to sew the lace on the cap.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns.
This is the hair that I'm going to use, and I'm going to crochet like on the middle part of this lace and the front part. Like I'm not going to crochet on the entire lace, because again guys, we're trying to save time, and also like it's a hack.
Into the blue, they change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life.
You can use this ventilation needle to crochet the hair on the lace, or you can use this one, whichever that you prefer.
Another season, not for long, just
and then you have to pick like 1 or 2 strands of hair to make it look more natural. Don't pick like 3 or 4. Pick just 1 or 2. And take your time. Remember, you're trying to save your money, so you have to take your time to, crochet this hair on this lace. But again, this is a hack. This is time saving. The hack that I'm going to show you today is time saving, and you'll still achieve the same results if you just like had crocheted the entire lace.
Another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
So that is enough for the front part. So the next step is to crochet the middle part, and that is going to be like your pattern.
Seasons turn and change just like your mind, like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason.
Just make sure you crochet enough hair to cover the tracks, because you're going to sew the weave on the lace. So make sure the hair that you crochet is enough to cover the tracks.
Every day until you come my way this season.
So the next step is to sew the weave on the lace, and make sure you sew them closer to each other, because you don't want someone to see the lace.
Each time of year carries memories like an never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side.
Another tip that you're supposed to note is that don't cut the hair, fold it instead. Like this is going to help cover the lace, so don't cut the hair, fold it.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose, each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
Machine, then it will look neater, but then the end result will just be the same, because as you can see this one looks neater and the hands-on one, it doesn't look neat, but the end result will just be the same. The wigs will look the same. Then of course I had to flat iron the parting just to make it flat and neat.
The seasons turn and change.
So guys, you can see the difference, the hands-on one and the one that I used the machine.
Like the sun gives into the moon
I'll be using one of these closures on my next video, so make sure you watch that video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below, guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something from this video. Thanks so much, guys. I really appreciate, and see you in my next video. Bye.
Time continues marching, it slowly crawls.